So hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I talk about why I am learning the English. So it is the so impact on the society or the something that different. Like yeah, everyone they learning the English, they own the perspective or like some of the goal they achieved. Like yeah, even I am also the learning the English like they get a job or like speak with it to the strangers. And also even I am speaking with the English, I am the glad I felt happy for that. Because of if you know, I am speaking with the some of the chatbot or some of the AI and also even with my out of the friends like different city or the different the country I am speaking with the it is a English it is a useful for me and also I am speaking like the quite good at English. You know I am not good but it also I am trying to get my fluency how I am speaking with to some of the person how I am articulating some of the story or the something different. Even you know like you know guys like initially, I am also the struggling lot. Like after that, I am putting there's so much of effort for the listening English video and some of the reading book or the like that way I am doing. You know, guys, like initially I am also the fear about while speaking in front of the camera or the something I am doing that. After that, yeah, I am thinking, yeah, it is our life, so we can do anything. Like it is the achievable goal. Yeah, we can the practice that yeah, we can easily fluently speak English. It is the gate. Like in my one of the friend, they putting so much of effort. They like how to say, he's a topper. He's a topper, but he still get a job after the long time. He get a job in the last year, in the last of the month. They completed their degree. So I'm thinking the like the day like anything happen for a reason. I'm thinking like that because of I know he's a topper. He get a more mark. I know, but after that I decided yeah we can still wait for that our moment because of everyone they get some of the opportunity is they putting the everyday effect. So that is the key guys. Like after that yeah I am working on it like in my goal or in my placement preparation and also while I'm speaking English, I'm struggling some of the time. If you are thinking, so please comment me. Because of guys, like I'm also doing the very good. Like I'm also the practicing it the good all the some of time. Even I am missing some of the things like guys. For example, I am speaking like now. After that, some of the interviewer they asked to me the question. Yeah, hereafter I am thinking like that way. I have some plan. I am doing that. Like earlier, like they haven't any given the introduction. How I'm given the self introduction. He doesn't know like what I mean or something like that way. He not interested to speak with me. Like, I am attending so many interview. Like there are the simply they rejected. But I am so many interview experience I rejected, but I felt happy for that because of so many rejection. I learned those things and also I'm not expecting that kind of the things like guys if you entering some of the company I'm not expecting because of I am go to the given the interview it is a non it is the normal. They hired or not, I'm not expecting. Because of initially I am so many company, I am expected, yeah, this is our company. This is if I is now the company entering the year, yeah, this is my company, this is my opportunity I'm thinking. So after that the long the rejection or the something I am decided so we are not expecting to anything. So anything happened or we don't know like what is that happening or there's something, but I am putting myself. So these are the I think we in this video we can speak about that guys. So like if you like this video or if you like our English communication skills, yeah, we are together to learn the communication skills. So if you wanna talk about any topic, so please suggest to me the comment section. I will sure about I will speak that. So if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Yeah. So thanks for the watching. We gonna see next video, guys.